When it comes to compact central air conditioners, there are several factors to consider. Efficiency, noise, comfort, and warranty are all important aspects to weigh. However, it's equally crucial to think about sizing, manual J, matched equipment, climate, ducts, fuel, electrical service, installer quality, and local parts support. These elements can significantly impact the unit's performance, often more so than the brand itself. By taking a holistic approach and evaluating these factors, you can find the best compact central air conditioner for your specific needs and budget. Remember to verify the exact model, RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and written installed quote before making a decision. With the right unit and proper installation, you can enjoy efficient and effective cooling in even the most space-limited areas.